Enslaved children began labor far earlier than any child should. Some began working as early as 5 or 6 years old. At an age meant for games and lessons, their childhood ended before it had a chance to begin. Enslavers did not see them as children. They saw labor and training. Each birthday brought heavier demands. Every year stripped away more innocence. By the time they were tall enough to stand firm, the weight of adult burdens already pressed on their shoulders. The first duties often began inside the house. Small children were given responsibilities far beyond their years. A broom became their tool, and sweeping floors left their arms sore. Buckets of water were hauled from wells, heavy with each step. Dishes had to be scrubbed, though tiny hands could barely grip them. Food was served to others, while the children themselves went hungry. From sunrise until nightfall, the work never stopped. Every action served the comfort of the enslaver, never the needs of the child. This stage was not simple chores, it was training. Every order and consequence prepared them for the fields that waited ahead.
What age did enslaved children begin field work?
The fields were the harshest place for enslaved children. By 10, many were pushed into rows of cotton, tobacco, or rice. Childhood ended, and adult labor became their daily reality. The sun burned hot above them. Dirt pressed into their bare feet. Their small backs bent under sacks heavier than their bodies. No lighter duties were given. They were expected to keep up. By 12, enslavers no longer called them children. Enslavers declared them adults and forced them into the same heavy labor as grown men and women. And they had to endure other burdens no child should ever face.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.